All right, I'm ready to do it. I'm going to take out that, which goes dim after about 20 minutes. But I have to take out the dash, and a couple holes on either side I put this homemade tool into, apparently, and I push it, and it should do it. So here goes. Oh my God, I can't believe it came out. And it wasn't really hard. Apparently, some garage guy said on a video I was watching, he said this is probably the easiest dash to take out of any car. And they meant it, because it's just going to slide right out now. There it is. Oop. Look at that. I just have to unclip the harness, and then I start unclipping this. Well, I'll just take it out, the whole thing. I can even bring it inside and fix it. That's actually what I think I'm going to do. So there. So I got my dash apart. And there it is. And I'm going to replace that whole screen in there. I just have to hit these clips on the back here, and the back will come off. Oh, you can see it's never been touched before. Interesting. Okay, here goes. It's kind of scary working on a $50,000 car. But I got the thing out, and there it is. I just take this board off, and I unhook the LCD display. And that, when I put it back together, I got to make sure I do not break that. But there it is. Scary stuff. Here goes the fun part. All right, there it is. It's out. Shaking like a leaf. Like I said, it's kind of weird playing around with this vehicle. Anyway, I gotta get that screen out of there. That's what I'm doing right now. I think that pulls up. All right, now that was scary. I didn't break anything here or anything like that. It was hard to get those clips out. I didn't know how they worked. But I did it. And there's the old screen. Oh, that's neat. You can actually see through it. Kind of. Isn't that weird? Anyway, that's the screen. And I gotta put the other one in. Oops, exactly the same way. Okay, that's the new one. Let's fondle that really gently. Take a deep breath. Here goes. This is where they say people break them. Shaking like a leaf still. Okay, I put it in. I didn't break it. I haven't torn it. Everything's good to go. I just have to hook up the wires to it in the back here. Hook it up here. That wire down to here without breaking it. Here we go. All right, now to stick everything back together and the case and everything, and then go plug it in the car and try it out. All right, I can take a breath again. Whew. I think this thing was made out of gold. There she is. She's in. I'll go plug her in, see if she works. All right, I'm back in the car. Phew. Oh my God. All right, here goes. So far, so good. Just stuff that thing in. It should just click right in. Just go right in. Easy. And I'll turn on the car and I'll see if it works. Okay, it went in. Oh. Phew, adrenaline. All right, I'm going to fire it up and see what it does. Here goes. Got the key. Have you ever seen a key like this? Look at this. Isn't that weird? That's my Mercedes key. Keyless key. And it goes in that hole there. It's in there. Uh-oh. Here it goes. Oh, it came on. Wow. That is so cool. I can actually see it. and it's gonna stay bright like that. Yay! Did it! Saved myself, oh, a good 500, 600 bucks to do that. Have somebody do it for me. Pretty cool. The unit only cost 115, but it would probably have been 100, well, 400. From what I heard from the guy on YouTube, he said it would be a hell of a lot of money just to try to do that. But I can do it myself, and I did it. Yay, done. Job well done. Thank you.